Have you ever been working on a React Native project only to be stopped in your tracks by a frustrating long press error? It can be really annoying, right? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the issue with touchable native feedback and how to resolve it. I totally get it. Long press errors can throw a wrench in your development process, especially when you're trying to create a smooth user experience. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently reported an issue with transitioning from the state responder inactive press in to responder active long press in while using touchable native feedback. Sound familiar? If so, let's explore this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this long press error? It often stems from how touch events are managed in React Native. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand what's happening under the hood. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid these long press issues in the future. To address the long press error in React Native, the user should first ensure that they are using the correct components. The user can replace touchable highlight with touchable native feedback for better handling of touch events. Next, the user should check the configuration of the touchable native feedback component. They need to set the background property correctly to ensure it responds to long presses. Now, the user should implement the on-press and on-long press event handlers. This will allow the component to respond appropriately to both short and long presses. Finally, the user should test the implementation on a physical device or emulator. This is crucial, as long press functionality may not work as expected on simulators. Fun fact, did you know that the first touchscreens were developed in the 1970s? We've come a long way since then, but even modern technology can have its quirks. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests that aligning the clocks on your phone and computer may help resolve the long press error. They mention that the clocks do not need to match exactly, but should not be off by more than a few seconds. Adjusting one clock manually can easily achieve this. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. One user faced a similar long press issue and found a solution. They suggest replacing touchable highlight with touchable opacity. This change can help resolve the long press delay problem. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always test your touchable components on actual devices. Emulators can sometimes behave differently than real-world usage. And there you have it. You should now have a better understanding of how to tackle long press errors in React Native. Remember, testing on real devices is key. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into React Native best practices.